In this video, I'll show you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you're going to do right now, head over to your LinkedIn, right? Once you have clicked on LinkedIn, you're going to click on my network, right? I'll wait for this to load. Once you have clicked on network, you're going to click on these connections right here, right? So I'm going to show you all my connections right now. So let's wait for this to load. Let me know if I got any, right? So you can see from this page, right, you don't have any connections yet, right? So I don't think I have any at the moment right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect with more entrepreneurs like me, right? So I'm gonna just, let me say I want to connect with, let me say 1 2 3, right? So you can see from here I don't have any connection yet, right? But I want to like connect with most of these entrepreneurs right here. So this is how you can connect, or how you can view your connections here on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. See you guys in the very next one.